Welcome to a short video tutorial showing how to calculate the present value of future payments, i.e. annuities. If you look on your computer screen, you should see two investments, investment A and investment B. Investment A is asking the question, what is the present value of, or what would you pay for the ability to receive $100 payments over the next 5 years, starting 1 year from now, if the discount rate was 10%. Investment B is stating the same thing. However, the discount rate is only 8% instead of 10%. If you look to the left, you should see the formula. The formula is the present value annuity, PVA, equals the payment times. Now, inside the bracket is, if you were to look into the charts that the old accounting and finance books had, was we referred to as a present value of factor. That's how you calculate the factor that you would multiply your payment to get the answer. In this case, it starts with 1 plus R, which is the interest rate. It's raised to the number of years, in this case T, and it's negative since it's present value, and we subtract that number from 1 and divide it again by R, or the interest rate. Now if you take a look, I have both investment A and investment B with the formulas already filled in, so let's go ahead and attempt one just using a general calculator. I'm going to start working my way inside. 1 plus 10% is 1.10. I'm going to go ahead and raise that for 5 years, make that a negative, equals, I get 6209. If I subtract that from 6209, I get 0.3791. I'm going to divide that by the 10% once more, and there's the factor, and I'm going to multiply that by 100, and I get $379.10. Let's attempt it with the Hewlett-Packard calculator. Most of your financial calculators will have these 5 time value of money buttons. So I'm going to work from left to right. 5 payments, or N, or years, discounted back at 10%. I'm looking for the present value. I'll skip to payments. $100 payments. Present value is looks like $379.08, a small rounding error. And then once more with the Excel spreadsheet, formulas in finance, present value, and rate, 5 years, and payment, and there's the $379.08 as well. I'm going to grab the bottom of the cell, pull across, and it'll automatically, since the formula's in there, calculate this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and try it one more time, again with the time value of money buttons. 5 $100 payments discounted back at 8% now is $399.27, and is the correct one. And finally, using the longhand formula math that you see in the center of the screen, 1 plus 8% is 1.08. Increase it to the 5th power, negative, this is the present value, 6806. So I'm going to subtract 6806 equals, now I'm going to divide that number by the 8%, and I get $399.25 as the factor. I'm going to multiply that by the payment of $100, and I find that's $399.25. Again, a slight rounding error.